Hello everyone. May I ask a question? If let you choose, you want to live in a city or live in a countryside?
City.
Sure. This is why the urbanization appear. To begin with, this is the outline of our urbanization. My name is Daniel. I will introduce the part of introduction and definition and clause. And she is my teammate Cherry. She will introduce the positive effect. And then Jessica will introduce the negative effect. The solution is for the talk, and the last part is way home. She will talk something about the conclusion and the recommendation. The first part is introduction. Urbanization increase in developing country and the developed country. In this chart, we can see the developed country increase slowly. However, in the developing country, we can see the urbanization levels improve so quick. An example in here is China. In this chart, we can see that China's urbanization levels. It was increased about 20% during these 50 years. After that, I will introduce a definition. In urbanization, you think big because you are seeing decades increase, or big because you are seeing decades ahead. That means urbanization is the people who living in the countryside, and then they move into the city and stay in the city. Why they will move in the city? Because these three reasons can answer this question. The first part is transport, second part is education, and the last part is job opportunity. And then I will introduce these three parts. Firstly, the transport is an important factor for people's daily life. If they move in the city, if they move into a city, and then they can choose a lot of kind of the transport, so they will feel very convenient in their daily life. The next part is education. In the education, have two positive effects for the people living in the city. The first is more advanced technologies, such as in the school you can study mathematical, PE, Chinese, English, and so on. The next part is teaching methods. If you study in the city, you can when you study, you can use the computer, smartphone to help your study more easily. Lastly, the job opportunity is a vital factor for the people choose living in the city. The first one is job. Because in the city you have lots of kind of job you can choose, such as the policeman, lawyer, and engineer. And the second part is about the income. Because if you live in the city and you find a job, you will get a higher income. You will get a higher income than you live in the countryside. With that, I have finished my part of presentation. My next personal, Cherry, will introduce the positive effects of the urbanization. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for Daniel. I will bring you through positive effects of urbanization. I would like to talk about 3 main points. First, concentration of educational facilities. Second, convenience. And third, job opportunities. What about concentration of educational facilities? The picture 1 shows garden school. Do you know what is garden school?
Don't know.
Let's take a look at the picture. In the garden school is big and beautiful, covered with green trees and colorful flowers. Students, after class, students can communicate with each other and make a learning sharing in the grass plot, which make study more interesting. Students can also organize various of activities. They can also relax their body and mind. The picture shows library. In the library, students can research and gather information that they need. They can also borrow books. The library creates a good environment for students.